A good old chocolate chip cookie, but let's make it healthier. Your guilty pleasure wouldn't be so guilty anymore with our whole wheat peanut butter chocolate chip cookies recipe. To start off, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a bowl, sift together the whole wheat flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Set it aside and into a different bowl, add the peanut butter, unsalted butter, honey, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Stir and whisk the ingredients together until well blended. Now add in the eggs and continue to whisk until evenly incorporated. Then, add in the dry ingredients, continue whisking, and add the dark chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. Fold until evenly incorporated, then scoop the batter and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Once baked, make sure to let it cool before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.